Guys, how you doing? I have something important for you, especially if you trade GBPUSD. It's a secret that I found out, and I just feel it's going to benefit you and make you earn daily. Yes, exactly, like daily. Okay, now this is it. Now the first one is, if you look at my chart, you will see a vertical dotted line. This vertical dotted line is period separator, and what it does is it separates the days from each other. For example, today is Friday. This is the chart for today. As you can see, it is the chart for today, and this is the chart for yesterday, which is Thursday, then Wednesday, like that. Now this is what I found out, okay, which I just quickly want to share with you. There's no need to waste time on this. Now what you will do is, at the beginning of each day, you will go to the previous day. All right, like this. Let's hold on this. Now this is Thursday. All right, this is Friday. Now this candle, this green candle here, okay, is the beginning of Friday, which is today. All right, now before this green candle, the day before, which is Thursday, ended here on this red candle here. Now but before it ends, there is a high that it has formed already. This is the high here on 24190. So let's just quickly place something there to make it very clear. So we put it there, okay, on the week of the highest candle for that day where the market closed. All right, okay. Now what you will do is, when you mark or you place your level on the highest point where price reach for that day, for the previous day, you will come to the present day, which is today. All right, so at this point where price is forming, what you will simply do is you will sell, okay, and make your stop loss just a little bit above the recent high. Do you get that? Now that means if you sell on this green candle here, you just have 15-minute retracement, okay, and then boom, the market came down. You see, you see you see how the market came down. All right, if you use just one lot size, you know how much you will make on this. Okay, now let's go to the next day and see the accuracy of this strategy. This is the next day here, okay, this is the next day. As you can see, the market closed on this red, on this price here, this one here, that is 24100. That's a strong psychological level, and then this is the high, all right, for that day. That's the immediate high for that day. So what are you going to do? You come here, you place your level on this high here, on the recent high, okay, and then what did I say? You be immediately, this one opens, you wait for this candle to finish forming, and then you place your sell from here. Immediately it's done, what do you have? Just a little bit of retracement, a little bit of up movement, and then boom, came down. So did I tell you? Just put your stop loss a little bit above the level that you have marked. Now how much are you risking? Actually look at the risk to reward ratio. Can you see how much are you risking here? This is like 6. Is that 60? Yeah, to make, my god, look at it now, just look at it yourself. Okay, now let's go on. Let's delete this. Let's come to this level. Okay, let's come to this level. So what did I say? You go to the previous day and you check the highs for that day. That's it, of course. And then you come here. This is where the market closed. Yes, this is where the market closed on this red candle. What do? You sell, okay, and then your stop loss will be a little bit above. Now what happens? You have your movement. Can you see? Did you see this? Just imagine from here. Imagine this is more than 1 to 2 on 1 to 3 reward ratio. You can do the calculation yourself. You get it. So I don't want to waste time on this. So guys, you can check the days. You can just continue to check it. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, okay, this one wasn't successful, but eventually it came down. You can see. All right, so you can, okay, this one too wasn't successful, but if the thing is, the reward um, um, to risk ratio is actually high. So even if you lose a day before, or you have 2 losses just in one trade, you can recover all your losses. Look at it, very accurate here. You see this level here. You place yourself from here. Look at the risk to reward ratio. That means your stop loss will be 23987, and then my God, look at it, man. Look at it, guys. Look at it from that level up there to this level. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, guys.